Greetings. In this video, I'm going to help you to prevent water from splashing onto your floor and flushing too hard when you flush the toilet. So as you can see here in this bathroom, we got water damage on the baseboards, and that's due for the fact of over the months it's been flushing too hard, and even with the lid down, the water will seep out onto the baseboards. Alright, so there's just two things that you need to do. It's fairly simple. Doesn't cost any money. So there is the toilet valve here. So just take the basin off of the toilet, just lifts up, and it'll expose the valve. It'll either look like this or something, some kind of combination of that, or it'll actually, the old ones are like a ball that will go into the water and lay into the water. So with the valve, you're going to see like a little rod, usually on the right, that looks like this. And so in order to prevent the flushing from being too hard, we're going to lower the water level just like an inch. And so what you want to do, in order to raise the water level, you would actually go to the right clockwise. But we're not wanting to do that because that'll make the pressure higher. In order to lower it, we're just going to go to the left, which is counterclockwise in this direction. And I'm able to do it by hand. If you have to get like a little wrench, you can do that, or pliers rather, to do that. Or usually they'll have like a thing where you can screw. Again, you're going to go counterclockwise to lower the water level. And of course you can test it and flush it. And if it's too low, then of course you can go clockwise to the right to raise the level. Alright, and these are very cheap and easy to install. You can look on YouTube how to do it if yours is broken for whatever reason. The next thing I want you to do is just go to your spigot, which will usually be on the left of the toilet, and it's just like a screw. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if you want to completely shut off the water valve, water going into your basin, you just go all the way to the right, and that will completely shut it. Alright, so what most people are doing, one reason why the water level is basically splashes out too high, because they got the water on full blast. Like this. They got it all the way over here. All the way to counterclockwise to the left. You don't want to do that. So what I want you to do is go all the way to the right, to where you're closing the valve, and just go like maybe 1 or 2 turns. And that's it. And that will help with the water pressure. Alright. And what that will do, that will put less water into your basin, which in turn will not make it splash on so hard to where it goes on the ground. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.